How to fix the iOS 27 developer beta not showing on your iPhone. First, open the Settings app and make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. Next, tap on VPN and disconnect it if it's turned on. Now go back and open the App Store. In the search bar, type Apple Developer and install the Apple Developer app. Once it's installed, open it, tap on Account, and sign in using your Apple ID. After signing in, go back and restart your iPhone. When your device turns back on, open Settings again, tap on General, and then select Software Update. Now tap on Beta Updates. Here, the iOS 27 developer beta should appear. Keep in mind, it may take around 20 to 30 minutes after Apple officially releases it for the update to show up on your device. Once it appears, you'll be able to download and install the iOS 27 developer beta on your iPhone.